One,
He doesn't want it.
2, 3. Okay. Now when you shut it off, just go 1, 2. But just don't touch this button because
Yeah.
that's okay.
Yep.
When you just shut it off, don't forget. And you just go 1, 2. I think.
Okay. Okay, so here is the newest air conditioner. This is the GE air conditioner with the Gree rotary compressor. Just got to start up. Let's see what. Can't find the manufacturer date on it, but model number is AEY05LVL1. Serial number is AH422276. Yeah? Okay, so here it is running. Doesn't seem to be getting that cold though. This what fan? It's on low fan, okay. This compressor, it seems to be vibrating the window, but I can't seem to find a not model number, a manufacturer date. So let's see, BTU, it's a 5050. Okay, so it's Jack, this is the same air conditioner as your grandparents'. I'm just trying to find a manufacturer date. First, January of 2017. Okay, so it is a 3-year-old unit. Not bad. Okay, so it seems to be getting cold. There's the Hampton Bay ceiling fan. All right, so it's from 2017. All right, not bad. So yeah, here she is running. Here's the filter. Clean filter. See what the condenser coil looks like. Not a bad condenser coil. But the evaporator coil, sorry. The condenser coil on this unit is kind of screwed. There is the top of the unit, and I will get a I will probably film it from the outside maybe later if I have time, but I don't know. But yeah, here she is running. This is the new unit that replaced the 1970 Kenmore, which I'm very happy a GE replaced it. If it was anything else besides a GE or a Friedrich, I would have not even filmed it, but yep, manufactured in 01 of 2017. This is the thing for the vent here. Actually, this has a Gree rotary compressor, not a Quingang, so that's why it sounds different. But it seems to be getting very cold. I mean, the door's half open, but is there a train passing? I don't think there's a train passing, sorry about that. It's a higher TV. If this was a higher air conditioner, then it would be garbage, but this is not garbage. This is built by GE. This is not a higher made unit. This is probably a Gree. No, it's got a Gree compressor, which the GE Medea has in the living room. But I'll probably film that later. But yeah, here she is. There's the dials. That's the thermostat. And then this is the thing here. So it's on low cool right now, and I have no idea what fan motor it has. Probably a higher fan motor, but the fan motor seems to be running fine. The bearings seem to be not going on it, unlike the Amana. Even though the Amana is running okay, just shut it off. Let's see here. 115 amps, 5050 BTUs, EER of 11.2. Not a bad unit. It's a really good unit, in my opinion. I really like these not older. I really like these small and bigger GE units. In my opinion, they're really good. So let's go ahead and shut her off. Let's go ahead and shut her down, I guess. Can you hear the refrigerant flowing in there? All right. I would turn it on low fan, but kind of can't. But yeah, so there's a new unit. Thanks for watching, guys. More to come, and hope you all enjoyed the video. Out.